In this video, I show you how I get my breakfast room in order. If you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, this is Stephanie from CreativelyMsMe, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. Then a bell will appear. Click that bell twice, and you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now, in today's video, I am cleaning up the dumping ground. That's what I call my breakfast area after cleaning up from a holiday or any kind of decorations. I tend to always dump everything in the breakfast area. So if you want to see how I get this mess strained out, you know what to do. Stick around. If you haven't gone already to check out CreativelyMsMe.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. If you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And never stop exploring. Continue to the last screen. There's always something new on that last screen. And as always, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.